Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you iPhone battery drain solution. So let's get right into it. Force to restart your iPhone quickly. Press and release the volume up button quickly. Press and release the volume down button. Hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. If a force start doesn't fix your battery draining, then try to update all apps. Sometimes even updating apps may help you decrease the battery draining. To do that, open the App Store app at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile menu. Scroll down and update apps individually or tap update all to update everything at once. Even updating did not solve the battery draining. Then check battery usage by app. Go to the settings app, look for the option battery and check which apps are consuming the most battery. If an app is draining too much battery, try to use it for less time. Reset all settings. Sometimes after a major iOS update, settings might not work as expected, leading to battery drain. Open the settings and tap on General again. Scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This will not delete your data, but it will reset settings like saved Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth connections, and home screen layouts. So even if it did not work for your battery draining, then try to check for future iOS updates. Since iOS 18.0 is a new release, there might be bugs and glitches, including battery drain issues. Open the settings on your phone, scroll down and tap on General. In this, click on the software update. If there is any software update available, try to update the software. Updating the software may solve the issues related to the features, security issues, and bug fixes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.